del S values is positive. So now we are going to substitute the equation. Del G naught is equal to del H minus T del S. So substitute the equation. So minus minus plus upper del G naught values always plus minus upper del G naught values always the positive. The temperature increase, it has some more negative. See the Ellingham diagram. So when the temperature is increase, see the temperature is increase, see the temperature. So temperature is increase, it has some more negative. This is the second point. Now we are going to see the third point. In the third point, you see the Ellingham diagram. This is the formation of metal oxide. All the formation of metal oxides, you see the del G naught values are 0. Here you have del G naught values are 0. All the formation of metal oxide is cut in the del G naught 0 values at the particular temperature. Now see, explain one diagram. This is the Ellingham diagram. This is the Ellingham diagram. You see the reaction. The del G naught values are 0. This is the formation of metal oxide. All the formation of metal oxide, அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் நீட்டி விட்டோம்னா எல்லா formation of metal oxides touch in the del G naught value. del G naught valueல touch ஆகி அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும்போது del G naught valueக்கு மேலே போச்சுன்னா all the values are positive. இதுக்கு மேலே எல்லாமே என்ன positive values. இந்த லைன்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் எல்லாமே என்ன வேல்யூ? இட்ஸ் a negative value. அப்பதான் சொல்றாங்க when the temperature increase, del G naught values are less negative. Temperature increase ஏன்னா you are going to reach the del G naught values are கொஞ்சம் இதில் என்ன செய்யும்? 0 மாறும்போது it changes into less negative மாறும். At the particular temperature means del G naught values are 0 இந்த temperatureல வரும்போது at the particular temperature என்னவா மாறும்? All the formation of metal oxides, less negative is changes into 0 மாறும். At the above the particular temperature, this is the particular temperature, above the particular temperature del G naught values are positive. Okay va? So at the particular temperature, above the particular temperature க்கு அப்புறம் என்னவா மாறும்? The metal oxides are unstable, changes into unstable. This is the third point. Now we are going to see the fourth point. This is the Ellingham diagram. In the Ellingham diagram, all the you have some points. In the points அப்புறம் you have some deviation. நீ பார்க்கலாம். எல்லாமே ஒரு பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் some deviation. What is the reasons for the deviation? This is a sudden changes in the slope at the particular temperature. Or sudden changes at the particular temperature because of the boiling point. And this is the melting point and the boiling point. Some melting point changes into solid, changes into liquid மாறும். Boiling point liquid changes into the vapor மாறும். This is the phase transition அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Phase transition, solid is one phase to changes into another phase, liquid மாறுது. Liquid phase to vapor base மாறுது because of the sudden changes of the temperature, sudden changes in the loop at the particular temperature. It changes, it has some phase transition because of the boiling point, melting point. Melting point solid changes into liquid. Boiling point, liquid changes into vapor. This is the phase transition. One phase to changes into another phase. Okay va? This is the observation of Ellingham diagram. Next video you are going to see the application of Ellingham diagram. Okay, thank you student.